Estrada marginal da Ilha Verde.青洲河邊馬路 Waterfront road of Green Island. Oh, in Green Island, Green Island of Macau. On what once was a waterfront road, walking around Macau. Oh, Estrada Marginal da Ilha Verde, Green Island of Macau. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Estrada Marginal da Ilha Verde, road around Green Island of Macau. Oh, oh, Ilha Verde, Ilha Verde, Ilha Verde, Ilha Verde. Little Green Island of Macau. Oh, little Green Island of Macau. Oh, little Green Ilha Verde, Ilha Verde, Ilha Verde, Ilha Verde.
Okay, so we're kind of on, this is Estrada's road. That is Green Island Street. It goes all the way down that way, and then that's all part of Macau, those tall buildings over there. That's also part of Macau as well. And then over here is the university, St. Joseph's, way up on the top of the hill. And we're gonna walk through in this kind of industrial area, and we'll see what we can see where our road leads us. So let's just put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are as well. Kind of an interesting area. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Yeah, this Green Island is very, very industrial. So that Green Island Street, it went down to the waterfront, and then this Estrada Marginal Day. So I think marginal is like a Portuguese word that's like, I never fully understand that word actually. I think it has something to do with like being along the river or the ocean or waterfront or something like that. It's kind of confusing. But anyways, Estrada is definitely a road. And then in this area we have a lot of industrial stuff. Like it's just basically, I think originally it was salt. There's like a salt factory that I was reading about. And then it's always been heavily industrial even to this day. It's a nice tree built right into the fence. The fence is built. So I think I've been on top of this university, and I think I saw into this. There's a lot of interesting like cars and just stuff in general. It's also kind of used as like a bus depot, so I've been seeing a lot of different buses around in here. So we're gonna film it. It's kind of my effort to film, try to document all of what Macau looks like, because who knows, this could all change drastically in another time period. I don't know how exactly what it looks like in 2025, because it is on some prime real estate. It's right next to the border. It's an empty bus. You can see all this demolition cars. Okay. Very, very industrial. You can smell this smell of industry. Here's something called oil and steel. Let me just see. We'll wait for those to go by. More little stuff down that way. So there's a big hill. I think originally this was called Green Island, and that would have been the big island that would have been surrounded by water and ocean. And then over time it's either this they might have reclaimed some of the land, which is what Macau does quite a bit. So it might have been partially that, and also partially like silt that came down into the Greater Bay Area when it comes down from all over China. Okay, so now you can see that's the Green Island right there, and officially we're on, also called Green Island, we're on Green Island Street, even Marginal. We're on Estrada, Marginal Day. It's like Estrada is road, Ilha Verde is Green Island. Margio is this word that I just never fully understand. Okay. So I guess what we have to do here is try to go back to our street. Down this way follows part of the edges of the city. Let me just kind of run across real quick. So now you can see Green Island from this angle. All trees. So yeah, that could be real prime real estate. And then this avenue is called Industrial Park Avenue, which I think we'll probably end up walking down later. And this one right now that we're on is called Marginal, and it looks like I might want to come over here and see if there's something more interesting. It's like just kind of factories, and but we'll follow it along. Just want to see it myself. Industrial, so very, very industrial. Okay, let's go around the corner. We'll see if our street continues. It looks like it does. Yeah, it does. Looks like we have a Coke distributor. That's our street name, Estrada. Okay, let's see. So I guess we have a Coke distributor right here. I didn't even know there was a Coca-Cola company here. Let's go over to this side. Okay. So yeah, there's even like forklift. Wow, that bus came pretty close. The streets are narrow here. It's funny because that big giant bottle, there's a location in Taipa that has a Fanta bottle and another bottle, I think it's Coke, and it's kind of like a symbol of the city of a different time period. Okay, so we're gonna come out to a roundabout, and I think we might be coming to the end, but I'm not 100% sure. So we have our street right there, Estrada Marginal de Ilha Verde. and we'll just kind of try to sort out where we are exactly in this context. This street might continue down that way, and there's also some street signs over there, so we're gonna walk across over there. That says Industrial Park. So I think what I'm gonna do is this I think is a different street, and there's the Green Island, and I think that that's gonna be the end of our street right here. So we're gonna end it right there. All right, Slice of Macau Industrial Park, Green Island Park. So that's the Coke plant. I'm wrong. So I thought this was gonna be a different street, which it is, but then our Marginal comes across like this, then it continues on. So I can see the street sign right there, Estrada, Marginal, Ilha, Verde. So it kind of follows this way. And I can see the border is right over here. And it looks like it's just kind of industrial, so I won't go very far. But yeah, so I think that this street right here, Marginal, Ilha Verde, and then maybe that one is the other one, the warehouse one. Just to give you a little bit of context. So that's the Green Island right there, and if I was to continue down here, I would follow this right here. That's the immigration stuff, so I don't think I want to go any further. And then that's all Zhuhai, China. I just don't want to film around the border that much. So anyways, our target street was all into that. And on that note, there's Ilha Verde, Green Island, the original. All right, well, I'm going to be adding a little bit more to this Estrada de Marginal so I can see the sign here. So we were over that way, and I kind of skipped all of this, and then I saw these park benches and such like that, so I thought I'd capture some of this. And the border is right there, so that's all Zhuhai, China on that side. So yeah, someday that border will be gone. It'll be kind of interesting because you know, maybe these would be kind of connected, this kind of Green Island and all of this with that one. And I think our street would just so that's all Zhuhai, China on that side. Some kind of pretty streets. And I think our Marginal would end somewhere up in this area. So we're gonna go across here. Then all of that is part of our street as well. And all of this was also named Marginal as well. All of this, all the way down. So it's a fairly long street. There's some of those apartments. You can see some really interesting apartments up there. Some balconies, like kind of interesting. Mars. Okay, so we're gonna go down this way. Some really interesting apartments. So you can also see that kind of interesting one right there. So that's all stuff that we would have missed a little bit, but that's all part of our road too. Mars, that's an interesting name. And so there's more of our street name right there. And I guess it would come out to the end over in this area. There's a roundabout up here. There's our street sign still up right there. That's all Zhuhai, China on that side. And we'll just come up to see what's at this roundabout here. Okay. So there's still our street sign right there. Huh. It's still there. So is this one, all the way down that way. That might be part of it as well. Those apartments. Okay, let me just see what this says up here. This also says it too. It says Estrada, Marginal, de Verde. And then here's another road right here, Canal dos Potos. So so all of that is also part of our kind of long street. Marginal de Ilha Verde. Let me walk down this a little bit. We'll just kind of try to get the context of where it ends exactly. I think it's going to end near St. Joseph's University, and if so, I'll just kind of show you where that's at. I think it's I think that might be part of it right there. So yeah, Marginal, Avenida Marginal de Ilha Verde is a fairly long street. Oh yeah, there's St. Joseph's up there. I can see it now. So that part of it is up there. Let me just see where this goes to exactly. This is the new Estrada. So our street. So okay, I have filmed in here before, but it's been a while. So anyways, our Target Street goes up on that way a little bit. But that's part of the university right up there. And those hills, you can kind of get up there and overlook quite a bit. So there's University of St. Joseph's right there. So that's all part of it. This is a totally different street, and I think I'm going to end it, but that kind of fills in the gap a little bit more of our Target Street here. So yeah, it kind of goes all the way around in here, goes around there, and then around quite a bit. So okay.